For thousands of years, tents were simple shelters made from animal hides and wooden frames. Later, nomadic groups improved them with woven fabrics and portable designs. But the biggest changes came from the military, which needed tents that were fast to set up, easy to move, and strong in harsh conditions. Wars pushed innovations like tougher canvas, waterproofing, and lighter materials. Many features in today's camping tents were first developed for soldiers in military camps. So how exactly did military needs transform the camping tent into the modern outdoor shelter we know today? Let's explore how warfare quietly shaped camping culture around the world. Let's dive in, right here, on History of Simple Things. Long before recreational camping existed, armies relied on tents during military campaigns. Ancient Roman soldiers used leather shelters called papilio, while Mongol armies traveled with portable felt yurts that could be quickly rebuilt across long distances. During the medieval period, military tents became larger and more organized, often reflecting rank and status. These early armies learned the importance of portability, durability, and fast assembly because soldiers constantly moved from place to place without permanent shelter. Transporting tents across difficult terrain also pushed improvements in materials and structural design. Many ideas found in modern camping tents today, including portability and modular construction, can be traced back to the needs of ancient and medieval militaries that depended on reliable temporary shelters during long military campaigns and expeditions. By the 18th and 19th centuries, canvas became the main material for military tents because it was stronger and more weather-resistant than animal hides. European armies used large canvas tents during campaigns across different climates, while the American Civil War increased mass production and standardization. Bell tents, wedge tents, and wall tents became common because they balanced space, ventilation, and portability. These wars also exposed problems like poor waterproofing and difficult transportation, leading to stronger stitching and treated fabrics. Civilian explorers and settlers later adopted these military-style tents, helping shape outdoor travel and recreational camping culture during the late 19th century. Military expeditions during the 19th and early 20th centuries improved tent technology by testing shelters in extreme environments like deserts, jungles, mountains, and polar regions. Soldiers and explorers needed tents that could survive snow, heavy rain, strong winds, and freezing temperatures. Expeditions in the Arctic and Himalayas inspired stronger frames, better ventilation, and lighter designs that were easier to carry over long distances. Military groups often worked with engineers and manufacturers to improve portable shelters for harsh conditions. Civilian mountaineers and explorers later adopted these innovations, making military expeditions an important testing ground for many features found in modern camping and expedition tents today. World War II became a major turning point in tent history because armies needed lightweight shelters that could be mass-produced and transported across continents. Military engineers focused on improving durability while reducing weight. During the war, synthetic materials like nylon began replacing heavy canvas because they dried faster, resisted mildew, and weighed less. Aluminum poles also became popular since they were lighter than wood or steel. These innovations changed portable shelter design forever. After the war, surplus military gear introduced civilians to lightweight camping equipment. Many camping companies borrowed directly from military designs, helping transform camping from a rugged survival activity into a more popular recreational experience for ordinary travelers and families. During the Cold War, militaries improved tent technology for extreme environments like Arctic cold and tropical jungles. Governments invested in synthetic fabrics, waterproof coatings, insulation, and compact folding frames, making shelters lighter and easier to deploy. Fiberglass poles, advanced zippers, and rainfly systems also became common during this period. These military innovations later influenced civilian camping companies as outdoor recreation grew in the 1960s and 1970s. Backpackers benefited from lighter equipment since older canvas tents were too heavy for long hikes. Dome tents also gained popularity for their stability and efficient design, with many modern tent features tracing back to Cold War military research. Military influence can still be seen in modern camping tents today. Features like waterproof fabrics, rip-stop nylon, lightweight poles, and weather-resistant designs trace back to military research and field testing. Modern tactical shelters continue influencing outdoor brands, especially in durability and fast setup systems. Pop-up tents, ultralight backpacking shelters, and four-season expedition tents all borrow ideas refined through military use. What began as portable shelters for soldiers eventually helped shape the modern camping industry used by hikers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. Modern camping tents may seem simple, but their history is closely tied to military innovation. Armies needed shelters that were portable, durable, and reliable in harsh conditions, leading to improvements like canvas construction, synthetic fabrics, and lightweight poles. Over time, these military advancements spread into civilian camping and outdoor recreation. Today's tents are lighter, stronger, and more comfortable because of centuries of military-driven design and survival technology. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.